Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant shares important updates. Goa government has taken a decision to designate the new South Goa District Hospital as an additional COVID hospital, says Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. The Chief Minister took to social media and said the following. In view of the rising cases of COVID-19 in the state, our government has taken a decision to designate the new South Goa District Hospital as an additional COVID hospital. We stand committed for giving better treatment and medical facilities to the people of Goa. Goa Health Minister Vishwajit Rane also shares more information about the same. Vishwajit Rane took to social media and said the following. After a joint consultation with Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant, we shall be converting the South Goa District Hospital into a dedicated COVID hospital with 400 to 500 bed capacity in addition to ESIC and Sub-District Hospital Ponda. We have appointed Dr. Sunanda Amondkar and Dr. Rajesh Patil to manage COVID operations at the South Goa District Hospital along with Medical Superintendent Dr. Deepa Korea. Simultaneously, GMC will continue to manage and treat critical COVID patients. The Health Minister on 8 September 2020 holds discussion about the functionality of South Goa District Hospital. Vishwajit Rane took to social media and said the following. Discuss the functionality of South Goa District Hospital as COVID hospital with Neela Mohanan, Secretary Health, Dr. Bandekar, Dean GMC, Dr. Geeta Kakodkar, Acting Director DHS, Dr. Deepa Korea, Medical Superintendent SGDH, Dr. Sunanda Amondkar, Dr. Rajesh Patil and Dr. Mohandas Petnekar. We aim to operationalize SGDH as a COVID hospital by Friday with 250 beds. GMC and DHS will have an integrated team to work at the COVID hospital which will comprise of a pool of medical officers, expert doctors, nurses and MTS. 2 24/7 GVK EMRI ambulances to be deployed at SGDH for shifting of critical patients to ESIC or GMC when required. MTS staff to be deployed for patient handling at South Goa District Hospital. In view of bed shortage, all non-elective surgeries to be put on hold and old hospicio to be reverted back as a district hospital. Emergency services and STEMI to continue operations. Final year nursing students to be deployed at non-COVID healthcare centers to release experienced nurses for COVID duty. As per the directions of MCI, final year MBBS students to be deployed as residents. We shall continue to treat COVID patients at GMC, moderate COVID patients at ESIC and mild COVID patients at SGDH or STH Ponda. A timetable for rotation of healthcare workers to be jointly decided by GMC and DHS. We shall be moving ahead and implementing the above with the support of guidance of Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. Currently in Goa, 344 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 7 September 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 7 September 2020, 588 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 21,173. Total active cases in the state stands at 4,501. Total recovered cases stands at 16,427. Total 245 deaths are reported till 7 September 2020. 66 years male from Chimpal, 66 years male from Merces, 83 years male from Siridao admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital, all with comorbid conditions expired on 6 September 2020. 83 years male from Karaswada, 54 years male from Khandola, 52 years male from Bedki admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital, all with comorbid conditions, expired on 7 September 2020. 55 years female from Ravanford admitted at ESI Hospital, and 46 years male from Asgao admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital, expired on 7 September 2020. Out of 1,560 samples tested, 850 are negative, 344 are positive, 366 reports awaited. At present, patient in isolation wards are 157. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 32, as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 7 September 2020. Breakup of total 4,501 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 100, CSC Sakre 256, CSC Pernem 191, CSC Warpe 157, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 211, USC Panji 216, Primary Health Center, PSC Altona 112, PSC Bedki 122, PSC Kandolim 36, PSC Kansarvarnam 79, PSC Korwai 141, PSC Kolim 122, PSC Chimbel 153, PSC Chuolim 127, PSC Pororim 278, PSC Mayam 74, Travelers by Road Flight Train 7. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 103, CSC Kankona 91, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 440, USC Vasco 220, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 78, PSC Kansaulim 95, PSC Chinchanim 39, PSC Kortalim 129, PSC Kurtorim 52, PSC Lutolim 97, PSC Marsaim 42, PSC Kapam 81, PSC Sangam 66, PSC Shirada 100, PSC Darbandara 80, PSC Ponda 319, PSC Navilim 87. Bed capacity in COVID Care Center as on 7 September 2020 are as follows. District North total capacity 545, current vacancy 205. District South total capacity 1006, current vacancy 437. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.